Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to do the assignments today. So first you're going to go to Content, and then you're going to scroll down to where you come to Digital Learning Week of 5-4. Click that, and you're going to see two areas. You're going to see Reading for Monday and Math for Monday. You're going to click this. Then you're going to watch this video in blue. The link should work. Comment if it doesn't. Then you're going to go to ReadWorks, and you're going to read two texts. And that text is over here. I'm in ReadWorks already. And it says ecological change. There are two texts. It'll read it to you both. It'll read both of them to you. Pythons invade the Florida Everglades, and all the pieces matter. And then here are the questions. These questions require you to type. You're going to use the information from what you read in order to answer those questions. So then when you hit the submit button when you're finished. Okay. And then let's go back to my page. Let's go back to my content. Let's scroll down to my area. Digital Learning Week of 5-4. And then Monday Math. Now, you're going to learn about converting measurements in the metric system. And Ms. Shaw is going to teach that lesson right here. And then you're going to go to Splash Learn because some of us have not completed our assessment yet. So you click Splash Learn. It'll take you here. You put in your class code. You click your name. And it's going to take you to the screen where it gives you assessment at the top. And you're going to click Start for that assessment because it won't let you do anything else until you finish it. Okay? Other than that, just comment on the link that I send on the page for the video if you have any questions, okay? Alright guys, happy learning.